My dear children, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Thank you, my dear. Today we will discuss who is the superior and who is the inferior in this world. ପିଲାମାନେ ତୁମେମାନେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଜାଣିଛ ଯେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ସମାନ ଦକ୍ଷତା ନଥାଇପାରେ, ମାତ୍ର ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ସମାନ ଗୁରୁତ୍ୱ ଏ ପୃଥିବୀରେ ଅଛି। ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଇଂଲିଶରେ କୁହାଯାଏ ନନ୍ ଇଜ୍ ସୁପରିୟର ଆଣ୍ଡ ଇନଫେରିୟର ଇନ୍ ଦିସ୍ ୱାର୍ଲଡ। ତେଣୁ ଆମ ପାଖରେ ଯାହା ବି ଅଛି ଆମେ କେବେ ଗର୍ବ କରିବା ନାହିଁ କି ଆମ ପାଖରେ ଯାହା ବି ନାହିଁ କିମ୍ବା ଅନ୍ୟମାନଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଯାହା ବି ନାହିଁ ତାକୁ ନେଇ ନିଜକୁ କିମ୍ବା ଅନ୍ୟମାନଙ୍କୁ ନ୍ୟୁନ ଦୃଷ୍ଟିରେ କେବେ ଦେଖିବା ନାହିଁ। ଏ ସମ୍ବନ୍ଧରେ ଏକ ସୁନ୍ଦର ପୋଏମ୍ ତୁମ ଇଂଲିଶ ବହିର ଲେସନ୍ 4ରେ ଅଛି। ଚାଲ ପଢ଼ି ଅଧିକ କିଛି ଜାଣିନେବା। ପୋଏମ୍ଟିର ନାମ ହେଉଛି ଦି ମାଉଣ୍ଟେନ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଦ ସ୍କୁଇରେଲ୍ ଏବଂ ଏହାର ପୋଏଟ୍ ହେଉଛନ୍ତି ରାଲ୍ଫ ୱାଲ୍ଡୋ ଏମର୍ସନ୍। ରାଲ୍ଫ ୱାଲ୍ଡୋ ଏମର୍ସନ୍ ହେଉଛନ୍ତି ଜଣେ ଆମେରିକୀୟ। ସେ ଏକାଧାରରେ ଜଣେ ଏସେଇଷ୍ଟ, ଏକ୍ସପୋନେଣ୍ଟ, ପୋଏଟ୍ ଏବଂ ଲେକ୍ଚର ଥିଲେ। ଏଠାରେ ମୁଁ ଯେଉଁ କବିତାଟି ତୁମକୁ ଦେଖାଉଛି ଏହା ହେଉଛି ରାଲ୍ଫ ୱାଲ୍ଡୋ ଏମର୍ସନ୍ଙ୍କର ମୂଳ କବିତା। Look at your English book, lesson 4, topic name is the mountain and the squirrel. Look at the picture below. Can you name them? They are squirrel, trees, mountain, etc. Can they talk like human beings? No, they can't talk like human beings. Do you think they show themselves off? No, they don't show themselves off. We people do so. Let's read a poem. How the object and creatures in the poem talk like human beings to show themselves off. The mountain and the squirrel had a quarrel. ଯଦି ଆମେ ତାକୁ ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ବୁଝିବା ତେବେ ପର୍ବତ ଓ ଗୁଣ୍ଡୁଚି ମୂଷାର କଳିଟିଏ ଲାଗିଲା। And the farmer called the latter little pig. ଏଠାରେ ଫର୍ମର କହିଲେ ମାଉଣ୍ଟେନକୁ ବୁଝାଏ ଯେ କି ସେ ପ୍ରଥମେ କଳି ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିଥିଲା, ଆଉ ଲ୍ୟାଟର କହିଲେ ସ୍କୁଇରେଲକୁ ବୁଝାଏ ଯିଏକି ମାଉଣ୍ଟେନର କଳିକୁ ଶୁଣୁଥିଲା ଏବଂ ତା'ର ପ୍ରତ୍ୟୁତ୍ତର ଦେଉଥିଲା। ତେଣୁ ଏହି ଲାଇନଟିର ଅର୍ଥ ହେବ ଯେ ଦି ମାଉଣ୍ଟେନ୍ ଫର୍ମର କଲ୍ ଦ ଲ୍ୟାଟର ଲିଟିଲ୍ ପିଗ୍। ପ୍ରଥମ ଜଣକ ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟ ଜଣକୁ ଗର୍ବ ଦେଖାଉଥିବା କ୍ଷୁଦ୍ର ପ୍ରାଣୀ ବୋଲି କହିଲା। ବନ୍ ରିପ୍ଲାଏଡ୍। ବନ୍ କହିଲେ ଏଠି ଗୁଣ୍ଡୁଚି ମୂଷାକୁ ବୁଝାଯାଏ, ତେଣୁ ତାକୁ ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ବୁଝିଲେ ଗୁଣ୍ଡୁଚି ମୂଷା ଉତ୍ତର ଦେଲା, ୟୁ ଆର୍ ଡାଉଟଲେସ୍ ଭେରି ବିଗ୍। ତୁମେ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ ଖୁବ୍ ବଡ଼। ବଟ୍ ଅଲ୍ ସର୍ଟସ୍ ଅଫ୍ ୱେଦର ମଷ୍ଟ ବି ଟେକେନ୍ ଇନ୍ ଟୁଗେଦର ଟୁ ମେକ୍ ଅପ୍ ଏ ଇୟର୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଏ ସ୍ଫିୟର୍। ପିଲାମାନେ ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ଏଠି ଟିକିଏ ଅଟକାଉଛି। ଦେଖ ରାଲ୍ଫ ୱାଲ୍ଡୋ ଏମର୍ସନ୍ଙ୍କର ମୂଳ କବିତାଟିକୁ। ଏଥିରେ ଲେଖାଯାଇଛି ବଟ୍ ଅଲ୍ ସର୍ଟସ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଥିଙ୍ଗସ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ୱେଦର, କିନ୍ତୁ ତୁମ ବହିରେ ଲେଖାଯାଇଛି ବଟ୍ ଅଲ୍ ସର୍ଟସ୍ ଅଫ୍ ୱେଦର। ଆମେ ରାଲ୍ଫ ୱାଲ୍ଡୋ ଏମର୍ସନ୍ଙ୍କର ମୂଳ କବିତାର ଅର୍ଥଟିକୁ ବୁଝିବା। ବଟ୍ ଅଲ୍ ସର୍ଟସ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଥିଙ୍ଗସ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ୱେଦର must be taken in together to मेक अप ए ईयर एंड ए स्फीयर किंतु सबु प्रकारर जिनिस एवं पाग को निश्चित भाव में एकत्र करी गोटे वर्ष एवं पृथ्वी तैयारी होइथाए एंड आई थिंक इट नो डिसग्रेस टू ऑक्युपाई माय प्लेस मु भाबुछि अन्य को न्यून मन करिवा ठीक नुहे मु मो स्थान रे अछि इफ आई एम नॉट as large as you are not as small as I हुए तो मु तुम भली विशाल नुहे मात्र तुमे मो परि क्षुद्र नुह एंड नॉट हाफ सो स्प्राय एवं चलचंचल नुह आई विल नॉट डेनी यू मेक ए वेरी प्रेटी स्क्विरल ट्रैक टैलेंट्स डिफर all is well and wisely put if I cannot carry forest on my back neither can you crack a nut I will not deny you make केबे हेले मु मानिबी नाही ए वेरी प्रेटी स्क्विरल ट्रैक तुमे गोटिए सुंदर गुंडची मूषा पथ तैयारी करि परिबो बोली टैलेंट्स डिफर ऑल इज वेल एंड वाइजली पुट समस्तंक सामर्थ्य भिन्न भिन्न समस्ते ठीक एवं यथा स्थान रे अछंती इफ आई कैनॉट कैरी फॉरेस्ट ऑन माय बैक जदि मु मो पिठी रे जंगलटीए बहन करि परिबी नाही इधर कैन यू क्रैक ए नट तुमे मध्य कोलीटी भांगी देई पारिबो नाही आशा करुछि पिला माने तुमे दि माउंटेन एंड द स्क्विरल रो एही पोएमटी को बुझी पारिथिबो एबे आमे चलो ताहार कंप्रेhension क्वेश्चंस विथ आंसर्स करि नेबा क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 व्हाट इज द पोएम अबाउट Answer. The poem is about a mountain and a squirrel. Question number 2. Who had a quarrel? कहा कहा मध्यरे कोली होइथिला? Answer. The mountain and the squirrel had a quarrel. Question number 3. What does the former refer to and the latter? Answer. The former refers to the mountain and the latter refers to the squirrel. Question number 4. Who started the quarrel? Answer. The mountain started the quarrel. Question number 5. Who called whom little pig? Answer. The mountain called the squirrel little pig. Question number 6. Did the squirrel take it easy? यहाँ को स्क्विरल सहज भाव में ग्रहण करि नेला कि? Answer. No, the squirrel didn't take it easy. Question number 7. How did he feel about it? से ए संबंध रे कौन अनुभव कला? Answer. He felt it an insult to him. What makes up a year? Question number 8. Answer. All sorts of weather make up a year. Question number 9. What makes up the sphere? Answer. All sorts of things make up the sphere. ये पिला माने टिके देखिनियो क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 रे मु तुमको राल्फ वाल्डो एमर्सन करो मूल कविताटी देखैथिली जेउथिरे थिंग्स वर्ड अछि किंतु तुम बही रे जो अछि सेथिरे थिंग वर्डटी नथिला एई क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 रे आंसर आमे थिंग लगे लिखुछे हैला तेणु यार आंसर टी हम ऑल सॉर्ट्स ऑफ थिंग्स मेक अप द स्फीयर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 डज द स्क्विरल फील inferior to be a teeny creature? Which line tells this? Answer: no, the squirrel doesn't feel inferior to be a teeny creature. उत्तर देखि नियो। No, the squirrel doesn't feel inferior to be a teeny creature. And I think it no disgrace. This line tells this. Question number 11. The mountain is big. What can it do and what cannot? Answer: the mountain is big. It can carry a forest on its back but cannot crack a nut. Question number 12. The squirrel is small. What can it do and what cannot? Answer: the squirrel is small. It can crack a nut but cannot carry a forest on its back. Who does I in the last two lines refer to? Answer: in the last two lines, I refers to the squirrel. Question number 14. How are they different from each other? Answer: the squirrel is a living creature. It is active. On the other hand, the mountain is an object, so it is inactive. Question number 15. What do you mean by all is well? Answer: all is well means all is in an acceptable state and all is right. Question number 16. Wisely put means? Answer: wisely put means everybody has been placed in their right place. Question number 17. Who talks more in the poem? Answer: the squirrel talks more in the poem. Question number 18. Do we find such people among us? Answer: yes, we find such people among us. Those behave like mountain. Question number 19. Who of the two do you like more? Why? Answer: we like the squirrel more because he is wiser than the mountain. Question number 20. Find the rhyming words in the poem. Answer: the rhyming words are weather, tiger; disgrace, place; track, back; ear, sphere; eye, spry; put, not.